Fear not, our flooring is 100% waterproof and so much more. So if you are considering a new flooring for your home, let us introduce you to SPC-Lux. SPC-Lux is superior to traditional flooring such as laminate or vinyl that chips, fades, scratches, warps and looks tired after minimal usage. Instead, SPC-Lux is 100% waterproof with no warping or fading and is indentation and scratch resistant too. It's durable, it's versatile, making it the perfect solution for any room in your home. SPC-Lux is scratch and dent resistant, which handles heavy foot traffic without wear and tear, making it an ultimate product for families and pets, and even commercial areas. Its UV protected and realistic 3D wood grain appeals in every room, giving you the aesthetics you desire without the maintenance. SPC-Lux not only looks amazing, it maintains its stunning appearance for decades, which is why we supply SPC-Lux with a massive 35 years residential guarantee. SPC-Lux is supplied in 7 stunning colours which complement any interior. We recommend using quiet walk underlayment with the SPC-Lux as this helps noise absorption and prevents cold bridging, creating a warmer, quieter feel underfoot. You can order the SPC-Lux Quiet Walk and all fixing items direct from our website, ecohome-insulation.com, and we guarantee the lowest trade prices. We even offer free next working day delivery to all UK Mainland on all orders. If you have any further questions or would like to know more about our installation services, please get in touch.